everyone, and welcome to Maggie's Meals from Melissa. Today we're going to be making creamy lemonade. This recipe has been blowing up on TikTok, and it's very similar to a drink that's popular in Haiti and Brazil, other parts of Central and South America. I'm so excited to try it out today using some Melissa's Meyer lemons. Now, Meyer lemons are already a little bit sweeter than regular lemons, but believe me, they're going to get a lot sweeter in our lemonade today. Just giving these a little roll so we can get as much juice as possible out of them. Get the juice from 4 Meyer lemons, and you can use a juicer for this if you have one. These Meyer lemons smell so good. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar, and obviously you can adjust this to your preference. If you find it a little too sweet, cut down on the sugar, but it's pretty good. And now a 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. This is the creamy part. There's some vegan options for this as well. I believe there's sweetened condensed milk made with coconut milk. Stir that together. Thinly slice another lemon. Now add the lemon slices. And finally, we're gonna add 2 cups of ice and 2 cups of water. Give it one more stir. Now it's time to taste it. Even though it's creamy, it is still so refreshing. You gotta try it. You can get these Meyer lemons and any Melissa's product on the melissas.com website. Make sure to use my VIP code Maggie to get 10% off your first order.